Jump, to push oneself off a surface into the air. Example, the children jump on the trampoline for fun. Sprint, to run at full speed over a short distance. Example, the athlete will sprint in the 100 meters race. Hike, to walk a long distance, especially across country or in the woods. Example, they decided to hike in the national park over the weekend. Walk, to move at a regular pace by lifting and setting down each foot in turn. Example, she walks her dog every evening. Swim, to propel oneself in water by natural means. Example, he learned to swim when he was just 5 years old. Dive, to plunge head first into water. Example, she decided to dive into the pool from the diving board. Climb, to ascend, especially by using the feet and sometimes the hands. Example, they are planning to climb Mount Everest next year. Lift, to raise to a higher position or level. Example, he lifts weights at the gym every day. Throw, to propel something into the air. Example, he decided to throw a frisbee in the park. Catch, to intercept and hold something. Example, she managed to catch the ball in the final seconds of the game. Kick, to strike with the foot or feet. Example, he scored a goal with a powerful kick. Punch, to strike with a fist. Example, the boxer managed to punch his opponent in the final round. Hit, to bring one's hand or a tool or weapon into contact with someone or something quickly and forcefully. Example, she hit the nail with a hammer. Dance, to move rhythmically to music. Example, they love to dance at parties. Sing, to make musical sounds with the voice. Example, she likes to sing in the shower. Play, to engage in activity for enjoyment. Example, the children were playing in the garden. Drive, to operate and control the direction and speed of a motor vehicle. Example, he learned to drive when he was 17. Fly, to move through the air under control. Example, the bird flies south for the winter. Eat, to put food into the mouth and chew and swallow it. Example, they eat dinner together every night. Drink, to take liquid into the mouth and swallow. Example, he took a drink from his water bottle. Cook, to prepare food for eating by applying heat. Example, she likes to cook Italian dishes. Bake, to cook by dry heat without direct exposure to a flame, typically in an oven. Example, he decided to bake a cake for his mother's birthday. Grow, to undergo natural development by increasing in size. Example, she decided to grow tomatoes in her backyard. Build, to construct something by putting parts or material together. Example, they are planning to build a treehouse for their children. Paint, to apply color to a surface with a brush. Example, he decided to paint a portrait of his dog. Write, to mark letters, words, or symbols on a surface. Example, she likes to write in her journal every night. Draw, to produce a picture or diagram by making lines and marks on paper. Example, he decided to draw a landscape. Read, to look at and comprehend the meaning of written or printed matter by interpreting the characters or symbols of which it is composed. Example, she likes to read before bed. Study, to devote time and attention to gaining knowledge of a subject. Example, he has to study for his exams. Listen, to give attention to sound or action. Example, she likes to listen to classical music. Speak, to say something in order to convey information or express feelings. Example, he can speak 5 languages. Ride, to sit on and control the movement of an animal, especially a horse. Example, she learned to ride a horse when she was young.